Pagpapalit ako.
Sit down.
Ito walang pirmahan.
Donasyon eh.
Ang pinaka wish ng mga PSI teachers, mag-donate tayo din sa subscription ng online journals.
Journal.
So nagbigay sila ng listahan.
Okay, so how many?
Subscription lang.
200,000 pesos a year. Ngayon,
For everything or
For
for
everything.
one journal?
no,
Para may online access sila sa journal.
Lahat ng
sa hindi
journal.
free.
Okay.
Ngayon, nung tinignan ko yung listahan ng journals, research level journals to.
Ano, mga EBSCO, gano'n, etc.
Malalaki. Yung mga talagang...
Journal of American Chemical Society.
American Chemical Society.
Research level talaga. Hindi lang undergrad, ha? Kaya ang ginawa, sinabi ko sa kanila, hindi worth to, sabi ko, kasi hindi babasahin ng mga
Oo nga, totoo yun.
Hindi
Babasahin.
nila maintindihan yan.
Sayang lang.
Yeah, tapos ang ginawa
Popular
ko,
science lang tayo nun.
Oo.
yeah, ang ginawa ko, pinacalculate ko yung journal section ng digital library. Ang daming free online journals.
Na hindi ka lang bayaran.
Yeah, right.
So,
Okay.
magli-link up lang doon.
Yeah. Tapos, na-convince sila na hindi nila kailangan.
So, how much do
So,
you
ano gagawin?
Wala na.
Wala silang wish.
So the
But
It's free.
But I'm sure there's a subscription that they will have to pay somehow.
Not for now.
ano yung gagawin natin for our next year, 2013?
40th anniversary.
Every year.
Next year.
Every year, kasi annual subscription.
No, but it's
Hindi,
for,
hindi,
for
hindi.
next year.
Wag na.
Okay, so you have free, you have,
Subscription.
but I'm sure there's one or two that they will have to pay for.
Yeah. Ngayon, ganito, sabi ko sa kanila, kung meron kayong specific journals, kagaya ng Journal of ChemEd, kasi yearly yan, mahal yan, i-explore muna natin yung possibility na
Free.
makipag-link up with universities. For example, UT or Ateneo, pwedeng makipag-share ng cost ng habang na mas kasi we're talking about 11 campuses ng
Yes,
PSI.
yes, so, yeah.
Kung isang
Pilipino
campus
pala.
lang mura, pag 11 campuses mo, 11
Share na lang,
times, 11 times mura.
Pero di lahat, kasi maraming online journals.
No, but,
Kasi
okay, ganito
wala.
lang. If they will really need to pay up, cannot share, what is it? And then maybe then we can,
Yeah, yun ang sabi
Start
ko sa
pledging
kanila.
later on.
no, we can really build it up.
That's it.
And annually, we can commit to that. Kasi, it's determinate naman. If it's, say, for example, $1,000, that's $40,000 a year.
Ang sabi ko sa kanila, kasi napaka-haphazard yung listahan. Sabi ko sa kanila,
Parang wish list lang.
Right. Consult with yung librarian ng PSHS, with UP librarians sa ibang universities para meron consortium ng online journals. Yun ang pinakamura. So sabi nila titignan. So they'll come back.
Oh, sige.